So we're back, Fit Food, and Paola Henderson is back in the kitchen this morning. She's been away from the kitchen for a while, but I always knew Paola Henderson was a nut.
A nut? What do you mean by that?
A health nut. And there are nuts all over the set this morning. Paola, what are we doing? Nuts is a healthy, not all nuts are healthy.
They are healthy.
Nuts are healthy, generally.
However, they are high, yes, they're high in calories.
Right.
And so you want to limit your portion size.
Right.
Right? But nuts carry an abundant array of different nutrients that are really good for our bodies. You know, lots of omegas and fibers in there. That gives us that boost of energy, and it's really heart healthy. Believe it or not, it will lower your cholesterol as well. It depends. Again, you know, limit your portions.
Right.
It's a good snack, and snack, that word snack, it only means a little bit.
Like a pack.
No, like maybe a handful or two.
A handful or two.
That's what snacking is.
Right,
you know,
yeah.
you're snacking in between meals,
meals.
and you don't need to have like a big portion.
Right.
Right. So today, what I thought we would make was a trail mix. Now, trail mix was very trendy back in the day, you know, but it got it now has a bad name, you know, because of the high amount of sugars that they may be adding to the trail mix.
Right.
As well
and salt as well.
Salt and as well as the hydrogenated oils that they have added to coat, like the dried fruits that go in it. A lot of the dried fruits that is used in trail mix, I would rate it equivalent to candy because it's so fully coated with sugar.
Right, yeah.
So I often make trail mix at home, and it keeps and it stores really well on your counter, and that's a really good thing with nuts, that it has a long shelf life. And it's so easy to do it. It's a great snack that you can take on the go, you know, and anyway, it's good to snack if you're having friends over to put on the table.
So you have packaged your own trail mix?
Yes.
And it's
Health coach approved.
it's health coach approved.
Yes.
So you sell these out of the Henderson's kitchen?
I do.
Yeah?
I certainly do.
Okay.
So, and it's so easy to make. You know, you can do anything you want with it. If you want to add a little bit of spice in it, like maybe chili flakes in it.
You can do what you want with it.
Or if you want to add a little touch of honey to it. Or if you want to make it on the salty part, if you want to add spices like turmeric or cinnamon, anything like that, so according to your taste. So this is just how we're going to we're
putting one together this morning.
Yeah, putting one together. So I have some just peanuts without the skin and some almonds. And you could just use like maybe a cup each. You know, it really doesn't call for an exact recipe.
Measurements and that kind of thing.
So we just put it in a baking tray. I have some walnuts and cashews.
So but let's clear up as we deal with all of these nuts. I've often heard that, for instance, cashews are not as healthy as almonds, because the almonds are the better.
Almonds are the healthier nuts. Yes, they are, because they are lower in calories, basically, you know. But no, cashews, again, cashews carry, it's packed with nutrients as well. And you only want, that is the nut that you want to limit the amount. But we are mixing it all in. You only want to have just, you know, maybe just a little.
I can't have this entire thing all at once.
No. And then we have. It's not a meal.
It's not a meal. No, it's a snack. It's a snack.
And then we're doing some pumpkin seeds. Some pumpkin seeds are really, really great to lower your cholesterol and to add in that omegas. If it is that you're not taking your omega vitamins, you know, just having a handful of this is what's going to help you. Chia seeds, which you know are rated really well. It's a superfood. I like to put in some sunflower seeds.
What's that? Oh, that's sunflower seeds.
Yeah, sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
And then you want to choose your dried fruit carefully, you know, read the ingredients. You know, you don't want it to be coated with different types of oils as well as sugars. So I just have some raisins and also some goji berries. Goji berries are the healthiest dried fruit that you can consume. It was used a lot by the monks, that they ate it, you know, for vitality, longevity. It was used in Chinese medicine to heal any kind of ailment.
What's it called?
Goji.
How do you spell that?
Goji.
Okay. Can I have it? Is it natural form? Yeah. Because I've never heard it. Yeah.
It's really, really good. And then basically, what you can do, I like to coat it in, I like to drizzle. You could either do coconut oil or olive oil, just to give it a little coat. And then today we're going to make it into a savory trail mix. So I just have some kosher sea salt here.
All right. But you could add honey to this, you said.
You can add if it is you want.
Spices.
Yeah, any spices to it. But today we're making it very simple.
Right.
And you just give it a little mix.
Yeah.
Spread it around and into the oven.
Right.
At 350, and then you can just give it a little toss in between.
How long it will bake for?
It doesn't bake very long. I would say about 20 minutes in all.
Yeah.
When you start to maybe see a little golden color come up. So I actually did one for you.
You did.
In the oven.
Yeah, and then roasting the nuts also, I said, brings out so much more flavor.
Yes, it brings out so much. So this is the end.
Wow. Yeah.
And this is what it will
And
look like.
that's what it will look like. Yeah.
Right, and then you just store it in a nice glass jar. You can bag it out so that you know what is your limit.
Right.
This is a really great snack for any athlete, or you're looking to exercise, or maybe a boost of energy in the afternoon when instead of going for that caffeine, anything like that. And it's kid friendly as well, unless you have a nut allergy.
I know. Sometimes I get carried away, you know, in terms of snacking.
Yes.
So this size that I'm seeing here, this is not one snack. You would say about half of this.
Like half, yeah.
Half of this is one snack.
Yes.
So I can have like half of this 10 o'clock, and then 2 o'clock in the day I have another half.
Yeah, so this is a really good snack. Like if you are going to work and you're working at your desk, instead of having those granola bars already packaged out or any trail mix, this is what you want to do. You ever heard of these snack, the Kind bar?
I heard of it.
So this is very similar to it, but you're making it at home. You know, remember you want to look after your health. You want to know what ingredients go in it, and this is just as simple as it gets.
Yeah.
And snacking can be healthy and inexpensive, meaning that if you make a batch of this, it can last maybe up to a month.
Yeah.
You know, and it looks nice on your counter. If you're not sure what you want to eat, you know, that will fill you and satisfy you at the same time.
It's amazing when Paola took it out of the oven, the scents, because I mean, simple as this, the nuts, I suppose, the sea salt, everything coming together, and it's very, very tasty.
Yes. You can squeeze a little bit of lime in there. Again, you can create anything you want using your trail mix. Like for my kids, when we do parties, I actually pop popcorn, add a little chocolate chips in there.
You go crazy, Paola.
Well, anything. You can do anything.
Okay.
So,
make your very own trail mix, and Paola showed us how easy it is. These nuts are available. You can get these nuts anywhere.
Yes, you can get these nuts available anywhere.
And
I know in Barataria they have Agard's Nut House. You can get it by the pound.
By the pound.
And
and go crazy, and go crazy. If not, check Henderson's Kitchen. They're out in Cascade, and they have it packaged, and most importantly, health coach approved. Paola Henderson has put a stamp on it. Yes?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Fit Food, right here on A Cup of Joe. Continues right after this, folks. Don't move. Trail mix.